Hey everyone, we have got some exciting news to share, especially if you're a marketer who's focused on demand generation. We are launching a live webinar next week that specifically covers the three most common causes of demand gen campaign fails and how to fix them without starting from scratch. We know that many of our marketing friends are being tasked to do more with less right now. And like it or not, many of those campaigns are not hitting their targets. You don't want to scrap your existing campaign, but you do need a solution fast. And that's what this webinar is all about. It's a distilled version of what Sherry and I have been doing for Fortune 500 companies and everyday name brands for 35 years now. And now we want to share those secrets with you for free live. Join us on Tuesday, August 8th from 9 to 10 a.m. Pacific time. You can click on the link below or visit mastery.xpromos.com/fix webinar. We're really excited and we hope to see you there.